Imagine you're trying to buy a rare collectible. You know it exists, you've heard about it, but when you go to the most popular marketplaces, it's nowhere to be found. Frustrating, right? Well, that's kind of the situation with Beam and Binance. Let's dive in and find out why. Have you ever heard of Beam? It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with some unique features. But can you actually buy it on Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange? Let's investigate. Beam is a cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewimble, a privacy-enhancing protocol. This means your transactions are more private than with many other cryptocurrencies. It's designed to protect your financial privacy. Binance, a brief overview. Binance is a massive cryptocurrency exchange. It's known for its wide range of cryptocurrencies, low fees, and advanced trading features. But does it have Beam? Checking Binance listings, let's go to Binance website and see if we can find Beam. Show a screen recording of searching for Beam on Binance. As you can see, Beam is not listed on Binance. Why isn't Beam on Binance? There could be a few reasons for this. Binance listing policy. Binance has strict listing criteria. Cryptocurrencies must meet certain standards to be listed. Beam's focus on privacy. Beam's emphasis on privacy might not align perfectly with Binance's overall approach. Technical challenges. There could be technical difficulties or compatibility issues that prevent Beam from being listed. Alternatives to buying Beam on Binance. If you can't find Beam on Binance, don't worry. There are other options. Beam's official website. The Beam Foundation often provides information on where to buy Beam. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs like Uniswap or PancakeSwap might have Beam. Over-the-counter, OTC, markets. For larger transactions, OTC markets can be an option. So, to answer the question, can you buy Beam on Binance? Unfortunately, not at the moment. But there are other avenues to explore. Remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving, so things might change in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.